connect with Kunal Bothra and Nooresh Merani and find out what their view is on the markets. And Kunal, let's get in a take from you. Absolutely flat, nothing to really talk about. Is there anything that really caught your eye?
Nothing as such. I mean, no change in terms of the data for the index. Just 0.5%, 0.9% change in the open interest for Nifty, 1% odd for the Bank Nifty. We've been more sideways, throughout the day yesterday, and I think for more or less the entire session, we managed to protect the 22,200 levels for the index and broadly 48,000 odd for the Bank Nifty. Interesting, something which we'll probably look to watch out for is that if there is any kind of a retracement or a correction in the India VIX, because yesterday the pace of rally for the India VIX that got halted. So, ideally in the last 3-4 days, we've been rising by almost 100 basis point on the India VIX from 15, 16, 17 plus mark. Yesterday there was a very flattish kind of a day for the India VIX. So maybe that could probably be a point where we may expect that 17 to 17.5 could be a broad range for the India VIX. And even if that happens, say for the next couple of trading sessions where there is no major jump, we could probably expect that the indices would consolidate and more or less hold on to the key support levels.
Right. Nooresh, hi, morning. How long will the large private bank underperformance continue? What's your reading on the Nifty Bank as well overall?
So overall, looks like we are starting a case for a bounce back in the whole Nifty Bank Nifty space. So what we've seen over the last 3-4 sessions is a lot of FII selling, which has continued. Some of it could be reasoning that a lot of funds have flown from India to China, an extreme short-term move. But if we look at the last 3 sessions, we saw Nifty correcting sharply. Yesterday, it was only Bank Nifty and specifically the few private banks seeing a lot of selling. So it was HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, which were the names which did not recover well. But technically, the structures are extremely positive for ICICI, Axis and SBI. So these 3 names continue to be leaders. After the recovery in Kotak Bank, a short-term bottom seems to be in place, and that could also make a recovery. Until the time HDFC Bank stays above 1470, 1480, that could also make a bounce back. But continue to believe ICICI, Axis, SBI could make further new 52-week highs. So there should be a recovery in the Bank Nifty going forward.
All right, watch out for a recovery in the Nifty Bank Index. So let's find